Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of threads and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.